Look at here, nigga. Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. That's better. Cause I want you to see who the fuck that's talking to you. I got two words for you. Fuck you. Ain't nobody said shit about your motherfucking team. We ain't even worry about Carolina. We don't see y'all till like the second half of the fucking season, bruh. And here you go popping shit out your motherfucking lips, nigga. What the fuck? Look, y'all 2-0. Congratulations. Y'all beat Jacksonville. Y'all beat the Texans. Good shit. Y'all 2-0. You know, we look like shit, bruh. Come on now. You know what I mean, we beat the Eagles, who a lot of these motherfuckers preseason polls came out were picked to win the fucking Super Bowl. Well, at least go to the Super Bowl. Okay, so yeah, I know preseason polls, yada yada yada, but the team had stout behind it. You know what I mean? And then we beat New York, who everybody picked to beat us, along with the Eagles. Y'all was favored in both those games you played. We wasn't. We were picked to fucking lose, and we came out with a W. And we look like shit, bruh. Y'all ain't got no offense. You guys are squeaking by. Y'all barely getting these fucking wins. So, do us a favor, dog. Worry about your team and keep the Falcons out your motherfucking mouth. Worry about the Saints. Okay? That's your next mission. Worry about the fucking Saints. We'll worry about the Cowboys. We gonna go over here and do our thing, bruh. And you go stay over there and do your thing. Chump ass motherfucker, Mr. Tricycle King Dyke. Fuck out of here. Nigga. I don't know about you, man. It just, to me, it seemed like you fair weather. Like, this motherfucker pop out of nowhere. Just out of fucking nowhere. Like, what the? Really? Come on, man. Respect the bird, nigga. We'll see y'all motherfuckers hate week. Until then, man, keep your fucking name out your mouth. I don't want to hear Falcons and nothing come out your motherfucking grill, nigga, at all. Just worry about what y'all got to do. Save all that bullshit for hate week, nigga. You gonna need it.